Today, we're testing 4 different samples with the Biuret reagent to find out which ones contain protein. Our samples are egg white, water, milk, and sugar water. Now, let's add the Biuret reagent to each sample. As we mentioned earlier, the Biuret reagent turns purple when proteins are present. The egg white immediately turns purple because it contains a large amount of protein. The water remains light blue because it contains no protein. The milk also turns purple because it contains milk proteins, mainly casein. Finally, the sugar water shows no color change and stays light blue because sugar is not a protein. The Biuret test is a simple way to identify proteins in different substances. Purple means protein is present. Light blue means no protein was detected. So, what is protein? Protein is one of the most important nutrients in the human body. It is made up of small building blocks called amino acids. Your muscles, skin, hair, nails, and even many enzymes and hormones are made from proteins. Without enough protein, your body cannot grow, repair damaged tissues, or function properly. Many everyday foods are rich in protein. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of high-quality protein. Milk, cheese, and yogurt also contain large amounts of protein, especially a protein called casein. Meat, chicken, and fish are excellent sources of protein as well. Plant-based foods such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, soybeans, and nuts also provide protein and are very important in many diets. On the other hand, foods like sugar, soft drinks, vegetable oil, and pure starch contain little or no protein. That's why they do not react with the Biuret reagent. The Biuret test is widely used in biology, chemistry, food science, and medical laboratories to detect proteins quickly and easily. Chemistry helps us reveal what we cannot see with our eyes. If you'd like to see more amazing science experiments, subscribe to Shock Lab.